Welcome everybody, VST here, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix the Samsung Galaxy Store just working like that. Really drives me crazy, guys. I opened my Samsung Galaxy Store today. I wanted to download something and I just got this. Nothing. No icons, nothing. I went inside, I tried to delete the cache in the storage. I even went into the recovery mode and wiped out the whole cache partition and still nothing. I switched my SIM cards, I have some random SIM cards, nothing. There was really nothing. I asked around, nobody really had the same issue. I was able to fix it at the end somehow just by trying many random things. And yeah, I'm no longer frustrated and I decided to do this video to show you how to fix the Samsung Galaxy Store if it does look like this. Now guys, I'm not even sure how and why, but the fix is very simple. Go inside the Google Play Store, search for something called the TunnelBear. That's a virtual private network and security. It's actually a free VPN. Once you install the TunnelBear VPN, connect to the United States, just don't forget you only have 500 megabytes for free traffic. If you want to upgrade, then you need to pay and probably going to get a better plan, but this is just going to be enough. So I installed the TunnelBear, I connected myself to the United States, and you can just see here, guys, I have here a key indicating that my connection right now is secured through a VPN. Then what I did, I closed everything, guys. I opened Galaxy Store, and then boom, it was just working as it's supposed to be. So I just think it is again something related to Samsung just geo-locking or restricting some of their services. It really drew me crazy. I tried to install previous versions, didn't really work. I tried so many things and this was the one and only solution that is working. Now what I want to do right now, together with you on the camera, I'm gonna stop my TunnelBear connection, alright? I now disconnected to the TunnelBear, and what I want to do right now, I'm gonna close everything and I'm gonna open Galaxy Store again and just see if I still got this issue. So okay, right now it seems to be working. What I'm gonna do, I am now going to go back again inside the app info. Alright, I'm gonna go here to storage and I'm going to clear all the data and the cache. Then I'm gonna go one step back, force stop the application, okay, just to make sure that it connects straight through my connection. Alright, I'm on my Wi-Fi. I'm gonna open Galaxy Store right now, and if it works, I'll be really surprised. Yeah. See guys, again the same issue. I'm not really sure what is going on there. Is it something with my phone or is it something with the Galaxy Store? But it seems that I will probably have to use it with a VPN for a while. This is really frustrating. I'm not sure what the root cause is, but this behaves like this. So right now I can just see I can almost do nothing, and even if it allow me to enter inside, I'll have no icons whatsoever. So then I'm going to switch the TunnelBear on. All right, allow it one moment. I said one moment, right? Okay. Now I'm going to connect myself again to the United States, probably going to work also with another country. Now I'm connected to the US and I'm going to open now Galaxy Store again, and yeah, let me just try to close it. Open it again from scratch. Now connected here to the TunnelBear, and what do we see, guys? It starts loading. Now, boom. Don't ask me why. I don't really know why, but what I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm gonna go back to TunnelBear. I'm going to disconnect it, okay, so I'm not connected anymore, and this time I'm not going to force stop my Galaxy Store. I'm just gonna open it and just hope that it's gonna work until the next time it does something like this. Okay, right now I think we have game. Okay, Teams, apps, do we? Yeah, okay, everything seems to be working right now. Just cross the fingers to get also the icons there. If I don't get the icons there, I'm not going to be so confident that everything works. If I click to my applications, no. For some reason, guys, I have a problem, so I need to connect again to my VPN. I need then to go back, and only then will the Galaxy Store work again. This is really crazy, guys. I'm not sure, is it something with my phone? I didn't do anything over the weekend, right? So right now if I go to applications, yeah, I'm gonna see it should work. Really, yeah, all the icons are there. If I would allow it sometimes, I'm confident that all the icons are going to get downloaded. What is the reason for that? I don't know. It's really frustrating, guys, but see, now it works. And then the moment I disable my VPN, for some reason it will stop working. Is it something with the DNS? I'm not even sure. But hey, if you have this problem, know that this fix should save you, at least temporarily. And if you like videos like this, you're more than welcome to subscribe.
I need my privacy, I need some silence. Please, you're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning.